Hey, Eddie here. In today's session, the pre-market told us everything because the price hit this key level once, second time, and, with this tasty third time. One, two, three. The price was floating with the key resistance level many times, and when the price opened, the seller took the control and the price dropped hard all the way down. It's amazing how the pre-market tell in detail what we need to do. I got it with this big red solid candle, my stop loss right above the resistance level. I'm gonna change my screen this way. Yes, with this red solid candle, I got the input because as as I show you in the market, the price was trying to push the price above the resistance level. However, the price was fighting with this key level. And today, when the price opened on the market right here below the resistance level, the seller immediately, as soon as possible, took the control of this level and the price dropped down. Right here is a clear piercing engulfing. Let me make it more bigger. Right here, this candle, because this candle involved the previous candle, it take more relevance to re-enter input. Always never forget start off above the same candle because now visually look good because the price already dropped. What happened if the price goes up? What are you planning to do? So start off above, always obey your start off without moving your start off far. Leave it like that. When the price go down, five red candle in road. If after five red candle appear one green candle, I'm more than obliged to abandon the position and enter in call this time and start off right here below the same candle. I said this many times with four green candle in row or five green candle in row, take profit right here. The next trade is enter input again, start off below above the same candle. One, two, three, four, five red candle in row. If appear only one green candle, I'm obliged to abandon the position in put and enter in call with the fake green candle. Exit right here, four green candle. If right here with four green candle, it is enough to take profit, because with four green candle, you have 100% in profit. That is a lot for your trading account. And right here, it is a clear bearish engulfing, five green candle, and then appear a bullish engulfing. It is another enter input. Only, only when you enter input with the bullish engulfing, it just only exit to cut losses quickly when you see two green candle in row. For example, if the price going down, one green candle is okay, two green candles okay. When you see like this, two green candle over here, two green candle over here, you must to abandon the position. But you see one PT candle, another PT candle, stay there, stay there. Remember, we left the stop loss above the right here. With this candle was a huge red candle, and below right here it is support. So when the price was a huge red candle, you must take profit because we don't know what happened next. I took my profit right here when the price was right here. Why I took my profit? Because in the past, for to tend to be greedy, all my profit ended up evaporating. For that reason, take profit, take your profit, take your profit. I um, I love myself because in the past, like I said, for being greedy, all my profit went away. And so from here, the price was oscillating above the support. This is a clear bearish engulfing. Like I said before, two green candle, abandon the position, bearish engulfing in the price going down and then appear two green candle, abandon the position. If the price continue going down, it doesn't matter. You must cut losses quickly because look what happened. From here, the price made a rebound. The price went up, bearish engulfing, and then appear a bullish engulfing, saying we the buyer we took the control of the level and we're gonna push the price toward up. This is the way how I read candlestick per action to be consistently profitable in the stock market, only reading candlestick. As you see on my screen, I enjoy do day trading because this business it is amazing. I'm so grateful for the amazing business that came into my life. I share what I know and I hope you enjoy the video to take advantage of your training as well. Thanks for watching.